ExpressVPN is the #1 VPN, in my opinion, for travelers, digital nomads like myself, because every country I get to, I want an easy VPN connected to my phone, to my computer, to my laptop, everything with one click. Now I can protect myself from people trying to catch my data. Not only that, I also want to keep on top of my shows that I want to watch. I want to keep watching things, going onto sites that are legal in my country, maybe not legal in the country I'm visiting, like gambling, for example, and get that through my VPN. So ExpressVPN is absolutely the one for me. Let me show you. This is ExpressVPN, guys. With the link down below this video, you're going to get an extremely good deal, okay, where you can get some discounted and a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is the #1 trusted leader in VPN. If you don't know what VPN is, it just means that now I'm connected to the internet showing you this video. I have a tunnel protecting all of my data, so no one can come in and take data away from me. You watching this video, if you're not using ExpressVPN, anybody right now could be taking data from whatever websites you have previously logged into. Okay, it's very, very cool. There's over 105 countries in this. It's best in class encryption, 24 live support, works on every single platform. It's lightning fast, trusted server technology, used on up to 8 devices, no activity logs, and it's the world's #1 premium VPN. So guys, if you want to get involved in this, all you have to do is hit the link underneath this video because you want to be protected, right? Let me show you something else that's pretty special. Okay, on the right-hand side, you can actually see ExpressVPN, and it is one of the fastest connectors. Now, I'm going to choose a country of my choice. Okay, let's just scroll up, let's go for Hong Kong. Okay, I'm going to click this, and then once I click this button, watch how fast this connects. 1, 2, less than, I would say 2 seconds. Okay, let's just be honest. Less than 3 seconds, for example. All right, and it's connected to Hong Kong. Now, if I want to change this to somewhere else, let's go with Thailand. Okay, I can click continue. 1, 2, less than 3 seconds again, and we are connected. So in a split decision, you're protecting your data from the world in less than 3 seconds. It's a no-brainer, okay? And you can get that exclusive discount underneath this video. So get involved right now, guys. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, with the bell to be notified. Do not watch any more of my videos without a VPN on. Protect yourself, but make sure you watch every single video on this channel. Hit that link down below, get it, and let's go.